Hey everyone, it's important for me to talk about the fact that we all need to love nature, accept nature. For example, I have a wonderful student right now who came to me all the way from Singapore with high myopia. They have good weather in Singapore. It's warm, it's great. But without any difficulties, he allows me to go with him to the beach, even if it's raining, and to look at the waves. And for him, it's so important because he has what's called high myopia, which is very nearsighted. And I just had somebody who called me from India with high myopia, which is a great nearsightedness, which is a pathological condition that can lead to all kinds of eye problems, from blind spots to macular degeneration, to glaucoma, to cataracts, to all kinds of problems. And we actually can help it big time. How do we help it? First of all, by helping people look at what they can see at ease. And one thing that people can see at ease is the sky. If we look at the sky is always clear. It has clouds. The clouds move. It has blue areas. Sometimes it's completely blue, which is beautiful. And when you don't see well and you look at something so open and so nice, then you look at the ocean and the sea and you see the beautiful waves, your eyes start to want to look. I'll never forget my wonderful friend Aurora, who came to me with very destroyed optic nerve. That's a result of very bad cataract surgeries that she had. And she lost so much of her nerve, which, is a result of glaucoma, and often cataract surgeries do lead to glaucoma, especially when they're done poorly. Her physician told her that the 5% of the optic nerve she's left with will wither because it looks so dry and without enough circulation. When she came here, I extended her hours. I used to see her every day. Instead of 3 hours and 45 minutes, which is a triple session with me, 4.5 hours. I used to take her to Land's End. And at first, she could simply see the sky and the ocean and some very big, huge signs. And then, as she looked at the ocean, she was so fascinated with the color that she started to see also the waves that have a different color, and then rocks. She never could see the Golden Gate Bridge that me and her daughter were able to see, and my assistant then. But she was able to look and see more and more rocks, and sometimes even a large ship in the ocean. So when she came back to see her physician, he told her that the 5% she has left will stay with her because it's no longer degenerate. And the moments that she saw better, she could read medium-sized signs. So I was able to work with low vision people, with high myopia people, and many others. In our school, we teach people how to do it. So we'll have a training course at the end of July, beginning of August. And those of you who want to learn how to help people's vision, help people mobility, and help yourself can come to that class. Until then, come and try our class this coming December the 14th. We will work both on the body and shows you all the possibilities you have with it and on your vision. What a good way to rest from all the holiday shopping, all the family feuds, all the friendship feuds. Forget everything and be with yourself for a whole day. Talk to you again, your friend Meir.